Welcome back. Here we are going to discuss operators, precedence, and associativity. Operator precedence, you can simply correlate it with the term BODMAS in mathematics, right? What we used to do in our childhood days, it was a basic rule that we were taught that if multiple operators are present in an arithmetic expression, then to do the evaluation, we followed the BODMAS rule, that is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction, right? The same is the case here. We are having multiple operators in Python. So this is the table in front of you, which is showing that which operator is having the higher precedence and which operator is having the lowest precedence. See, this is the list, right? So if the operators, multiple operators are present in Python expression, then this will be the order of execution, right? This will be the order of execution of those operators, such as see here, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, all these operators are having the same level of precedence, right? Here, and, or, not, all these bitwise and or not are having different precedence. Here the bitwise and is higher and bitwise or is having lower precedence, right? So this is the operator precedence. Just check it out with an example. Suppose if I simply write 4 plus 5 into 3, that is 4 plus 5 multiplied by 3, as per the BODMAS rules also and as per this table also. See here, the multiplication is having the higher precedence than addition, right? This multiplication is having the higher precedence than this arithmetic addition. So what will happen? First, 5 multiplied by 3 will be evaluated, that will be 15, and then the result 15 will be added to 4 and we get the result here 19, right? So this is what operator precedence is. Now, the next comes is operator associativity, right? So what happens here? If there are multiple operators of the same precedence in an expression, then what will happen? Then here the order of execution in normal cases are from left to right, that whatever the operators we are having in an expression will be executed, will be calculated from left to right, if it is not an exponential operator, then only, right? Excluding exponent operator. If the exponent operator is also there in the expression, then the order of execution will be from right to left. See here the example in the table. Suppose we are having the expression 5 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 floor division flow, right? So what will be the result here? Here, because all these three operators are having the same precedence, so it will be evaluated from left to right. So first 5 into 4, it gives you 20, then 20 divided by 2, it gives you 10, and 10 floor division 4, that is the only the quotient part will be returned. So here we get the result 2.0, right? So this is what the result we get. Now in this second one, 2 exponent 3 exponent 2, right? So here the execution will not be from left to right. Here the execution will be from right to left. That is, first 3 raised to the power 2 will be calculated, that goes to 9, and then 2 raised to the power 9 will be calculated and that goes to 512. So this is the result we get. So this was about operator associativity. Let us check it out with the practical example. So let us check first the operator precedence. So here I will just give the expression 5 plus 4 plus 5 multiplied by 3. So what the result we are expecting here? Of course 5 into 3, that is 15, and 15 plus 4, 19. See here the result is 19. So this was about operator precedence. One more example I will show. Suppose if I write 4 plus 1's complement, that is bitwise not 5 multiplied by 3. Okay, so now what the result will be here? See here the result is minus 14. Now see how the result is minus 14. Here the bitwise NOT operator is having the highest precedence. So first bitwise NOT of 5 will be evaluated. So what is the value of bitwise NOT of 5? It is minus 6, right? Now minus 6 will be multiplied to 3. So what we get, minus 6 multiplied by 3, what we get is minus 18. Now 4 will be added to minus 18. Unary minus 18. Now what we get, minus 14. So this was the result we were getting in the expression, right? And these were the steps that it followed, right? So this was the example of operator's precedence. Now let us check the operator's associativity. See the expression 5 into 4 divided by 2 and floor division 4. What is the expected result as shown in the table? It was 2.0. See here, the result is 2.0, right? So how it got calculated? How it got evaluated? First the 5 into 4 was evaluated, that is 20. Now 20 divided by 2 was evaluated, that is 10. And then after 10, floor division 4 was evaluated and goes to 2. So this was the result of this operator associativity check. Now one more example was there of exponent operator. So here is the example, here is the expression example of the exponent operator. So this was the case, right? 2 exponent 3 exponent 2, and what is the result expected here? That is 512. See, here is the result. Let us just check it out, how it got evaluated. Suppose if I check in the reverse order from left to right. Okay, so the first, if it is 2 in exponent 3, it will give you the result 8. Now 8 exponent 2, it gives you the result 64, which is not the result we are getting. We are getting 512. Why? Because it got executed from left to right. See here, first 3 exponent 2 was calculated, that goes to 9, and then now 2 exponent 9 was calculated, that goes to 512. So this is the example of operators associativity, right? So this was the end of this video. In the next video, we'll be learning about data types. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.